Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. Your body is not breaking down because of age. It's breaking down because of the signals you are giving it. I'm a surgeon. I don't see bodies from the outside. I see them from the inside, right on the operating table. I see clogged arteries, compressed spines, and weak muscles that no longer protect the joints. I see lungs that can't fully expand anymore. And here's the shocking part. Many of these problems are not permanent. They are reversible. Not with just motivation or some fancy gym routine, but with very specific science-backed movements. Today, on Hilifiab, I'm revealing the 5 exercises I wish people did before they ever ended up needing surgery. This isn't just another workout video. This is a surgeon's confession. Here's the big twist. Most people miss. We think the body just breaks down suddenly, but that's false. It breaks down in a sequence. First, your daily movement decreases. Then, your joints start to stiffen. After that, muscles stop activating properly. Then, circulation slows down, and only at the very end does disease appear. The dangerous truth is that disease is the final stage, not the first one. An exercise isn't just about building muscles. It's about reversing this entire sequence. So, let's begin. Our first exercise is the deep squat, what I call the human reset. During surgery, one thing has become crystal clear to me. People who kuo and squat properly have joints that are aging much faster than they realize. The deep squat isn't just a leg exercise. It's a joint intelligence test. It restores hip mobility, lubricates the knees, supports the lower spine, and reactivates dormant muscles. And here, as the secret most trainers never tell you, squatting sends a signal to your joints that they are still needed. It tells your body to keep them healthy. Here's how to do it properly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your heels flat on the ground. Keep your chest open and your spine neutral. Now, drop down as slowly as you can, going as deep as you comfortably can. Hold that position for 30 to 60 seconds. You should feel some pressure, but never any sharp pain. This single movement sends a powerful message to your body. These joints are still active. Repair them. This is just the first step. Stick with me, because what I'm about to show you next could change how you think about your health forever. Let's talk about push-ups, but not in the way you think. Most people see push-ups and think, oh, chest day. But what if I told you push-ups aren't really about building bigger pecs? They're about sending a powerful survival signal to your entire body. When you push your body away from the ground, fighting against gravity, your nervous system gets a crystal clear message. It's not, let's look good at the beach. The message is, we need strength. We need to stay alive. This simple movement does more than just work your chest. It activates dozens of muscle groups, helps balance your hormones, increases your bone density, and strengthens your heart. And here's the really crucial part. Upper body strength is strongly, scientifically linked to a longer, healthier life. It's a key indicator of longevity. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but I can't even do one proper push-up. That's completely fine. Because the specific method doesn't matter. The signal does. If a standard push-up is too difficult right now, start with wall push-ups. Just stand a few feet from a wall and push your body away. Or get on the floor and do them from your knees. The goal isn't to look like a fitness model on day one. The goal is to send that vital we need to be strong signal to your nervous system. That's what triggers the positive changes. This brings me to the biggest twist of all. Something most people in the fitness world get wrong. Exercise does not fix a broken body. Exercise communicates with the body. Think about that. Wrong movements or no movements send the wrong messages, and your body responds accordingly. But the right movements, they activate your body's innate repair and regeneration systems. Your body isn't broken. It's not failing you. It is simply and perfectly responding to the signals and instructions you repeatedly give it every single day. That's what we do here at Hilifiab. This isn't your typical motivation channel. We're not about gym hype or shouting at you to do one more rep. This is a science-based health platform. Our focus is on understanding how the body actually works, learning how to send the correct biological signals, and reversing damage intelligently. If you want to learn how to make your body work with you, not against you, then this is the place for you. Your body is ready and waiting for better instructions. When you give it the right signals, it has an incredible capacity to repair itself. If this video felt different, it's because the information didn't come from a gym. It came from years of experience in the operating room, seeing what happens when communication with the body breaks down. Subscribe to Healify Hub for more science-backed health, fitness, and recovery strategies. Because gaining knowledge can wait, but stopping damage cannot. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, let's talk about some simple exercises that can literally transform your health. First up, walking. We all do it, but are we doing it right? Here's a rule I use with my patients. If you can comfortably chat the whole time you're walking, you're not getting the full healing benefit. To truly activate your body's repair systems, you need a bit of a challenge. So, what does correct walking look like? Keep your posture upright. Let your arms swing naturally, and roll from your heel to your toe with each step. Try to breathe through your nose. You should feel a slight challenge in your breath, just enough to know your body is working. Just 30 minutes of this kind of walking can improve your heart function, increase insulin sensitivity, shrink that stubborn visceral fat, and even restore the flexibility of your blood vessels. When you do it right, walking is powerful cardiovascular medicine. Next, let's talk about hanging. This might sound strange, but it's like spine surgery without the surgery. One of the biggest problems I see in my practice is spinal compression. Think about it. We're always sitting, staring at screens, and slouching. All of this squishes our spine. Hanging does one simple, incredibly powerful thing. It creates space. It decompresses your spinal discs, reduces pressure on your nerves, improves your posture, and can relieve chronic back and shoulder pain. Here's a key insight. Most back pain isn't from your muscles. It's from nerve compression. So, how do you do it? Just grab a pull-up bar, relax your whole body, and let gravity do the work. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds, 2 or 3 times a day. It's one of the most underrated healing movements out there. Finally, let's cover the single biggest factor I've seen in patient recovery: breathing. I've watched hundreds of patients go through the exact same surgery with the same surgeon, yet the recovery times were wildly different. The main difference: the quality of their breathing. Shallow, everyday breathing keeps your body stuck in a state of stress or survival mode. Deep breathing, on the other hand, is the switch that flips your body into repair mode. It increases oxygen delivery, reduces stress hormones, and calms your entire nervous system. Here's a simple clinical method you can use right now. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 2 seconds, and then exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat this for just 5 minutes. This simple practice sends a clear signal to your body. The danger is over. It's time to begin repair. Remember, breathing isn't just about getting air. It's a biological instruction that tells your body how to heal. Shallow breathing keeps the body in survival mode. Deep breathing switches the body into repair mode. Deep breathing increases oxygen delivery, reduces stress hormones, activates healing pathways, calms the nervous system. Here is a clinical method you can use. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat for 5 minutes. This sends a clear signal to the body. The danger is over. Begin repair. Breathing is not just air. It is biological instruction. Try these out and let me know how you feel.